Hi again, everyone. It is Perfect Storm Trading here. It is Friday, September 10th, 2021. Looking at the Vedic timing windows from yesterday, we got the low anticipated right at the projection, the one projection I gave you. There were 2 points that we looked at in the morning where this was going to come in, and it came in at the second point here in the white DeBill box and the green box on the A1 panel, the bright green box. Remember, we use the big box, small box, white, bright green together. Those of you that have the book understand what's behind these boxes. So coming out of that sharp down move last night, we bottomed out right after the close there at 16:45. Then we got the overnight rally back. We had the white window here just after midnight, early in the morning, where we made a new high. The market continued right to the end of the box, made a little correction, and then continued to head up. We have one important window today to watch. This window comes in on the A1 A2 panel between about 9:38 and 1309. The two key A1 points, which is the top ribbon, are the green box here where I drew the line in the center, the vertical line, and then the white one here. Remember, white over green is dominant, green over white is dominant, but green green, white white may be the winning combination. So you have to watch both of those points. So to see what we're going to do with this, let's bring in another indicator. Okay, I'm going to drop the rainbow chart in over this. You can see the rectangle that I've drawn on the rainbow chart is the same time period as the Vedic timing window. And what we have, there are the rainbow triggers in effect around this time. There's a trigger coming here about 9:23. That's just before we get into the box. It may be a minor turning point. We have the 9:47 on the A5 A6 panel. We have the 12:24 on the A1 A2, and then right at 1 o'clock on the A1 A2 again with the white bar. There is also a PH trigger coming in at 10:43, 10:44. One of those, maybe more, will be important swing points. So watch the market pattern as it develops here, and then we'll know what to do when the time comes. Bringing in the Astro Excel right now, we've inverted. We followed the blue line up, continued up. We were inverted to the green line. The next green line major pivot point comes in at about 12:20 to 2:43. The timing window fits in there and ends in that 110 area, 1310. Right now we're coming together here. Both lines are flatlining right now, and then they're both going to start to drop right here about 6:30 this morning. So we're going to have some downward pressure there. The blue line is going to make a pivot between 9:41 and 10:10, and that coincides with the second trigger I showed you in the Vedic box. So that should be an important trigger area. Blue line makes a peak as the green line bottoms. That's going to happen between 12 and 12:53. So that 12 to 12:53 time frame is right on our last trigger point in the Vedic window that we got from the rainbow chart, right there in that area. So those kind of sync up. So that blue line peak will kind of sync up with our last trigger point right as we get out of that box. So that's another important area to watch today. Let's see, that last blue line bottom is at 1432, 232 here. Now these are not spikes, so they may not be as important, but they'll still cause turns. So that's the last peak of the day. That bottoming action on the green line ends about 2:43, so we'll see how this plays out, and then it turns up into the close Friday. So there you go. There are the key points for today. That should get you a couple of good signals lined up there for the important intraday swings today. So that's it for Friday. We'll be back again over the weekend. We'll take a look at the daily pivots and also look at the astro Excel forecast for next week. So we will talk to you again on Saturday. Thanks for watching.